welcome in to another woolly review. Today we are doing Hayfield Bonus Chunky, 100 grams of extra value. Now this is 100% acrylic. We're not here to judge the colour, but it is 0723 duck egg. And the cheapest I found this was £1.59 on the Wool Warehouse. It is also available for the same price on a couple of other stores at the moment. But Wool Warehouse actually has the better value for shipping, which is why I'm stating it here. But all the extra info is down in the description as always. It does recommend using a 6.5 needle, a 6mm hook. That's handy. Custom made by Miss Jelena. My size 6 hook. She's down below, just below the like button and the subscribe button. Woohoo! Anyway, this is one that I have used in a tutorial for the first time recently, so I know how it is to work, but I forgot to do the review beforehand, so that's why it's wound like this, because I did the tutorial and then wound it on. I apologise, okay? I apologise. I'm sorry. Don't hate me. Okay, so like I said, we're not here to judge the colour. We're here to judge how it works, how it feels. It feels like a chunky yarn. It does squeak a lot, which is something that I've found and already hated. And I would probably actually go for a 6.5 hook with this. But, you know, in the interests of science, it feels okay through my fingers. It's not overly rough, but it certainly isn't really soft. When it says it is bonus chunky, extra value, it automatically makes me think, well, that's cheap. And it kind of semi-feels it. Not like rough as in, oh, heck, I'm going to scratch somebody's eyes out with that. No, but it's okay. You know, it's okay. Something I have found while using this, though, is that there's no real stretch to it. It actually looks like it's stretching a fair bit on the camera. It's not really, it's got a little bit in there, but it's not overly stretchy. But the bad thing is with this, which you can probably see from its makeup, it can get very, very splitty, which isn't much fun when you're making a project. Oops. We're not here to judge my stitches. We're here just to see how it works up, what it looks like. Oops. And of course, how it frogs. Because frogging can damage your wool. I mean, that's not too bad. I've got to say, it looks a lot nicer in the camera than it does in reality. It properly in camera looks like it really defines those stitches. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Let me put the hook down for a minute. Would I wear that on my skin? Yes, I would. But I'd prefer that as a temporary gap. So if I were to wear that as a cardigan or a jumper with something else underneath and it only being a temporary thing, yeah, I'd go for it. I'd give that a thumbs up. Even if I wouldn't give myself a thumbs up right now, I'd do that at the end when I've enjoyed a video. But it's not bad on the skin. It's certainly not rough. It's fine frogging slow. It's fine frogging. Oh, look at all the fluff. I'm so sorry. It's not too bad. Not too bad of a kink. So that's good. Definitely chunkified, as it were. So for that, it's a bonus. But, oh, excuse me, hanky markers. You're on my rater. Okay. Hanky markers, by the way, if you want any, they're for sale. All you got to do is email me or look on my community page where I give you the prices. Selling internationally. La, 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 la. Anyway, what would I give it? Would I turn my back on it? Nope. Would I be really annoyed if that was the only thing there was? Nope. Would I be like, yeah, that'll do. It'll be okay. I can work with that. I kind of want to just do like that. Not quite a half. I kind of want to do that. But we'll leave it. We'll leave it at that. We will leave it at the 3 ladybirds out of 5, purely because it's not overly soft and it does split, which isn't very nice to work with when that happens. I kind of wish it had happened in the little sample that I did for you, but it didn't. But I promise you it does. It happens. If you saw my tutorial when I was using this for the feather stitch, you will see it splitting. Yeah. So I'm keeping it at 3 out of 5 ladybirds for the Hayfield Bonus Chunky extra value. And I didn't tell you how much was on it. Very badly, so very bad. 150 yards, 137 meters approximately, is on a 100-gram ball for £1.59. 3 out of 5. My review, you may well have of your own, but that's mine. For today, for this week, hopefully it will be of some sort of use to you. If so, please give that thumbs up. Maybe press that subscribe button just next to the like. And maybe I'll see you next time for another woolly review. Take care. Bye-bye.